Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the diagnostic and information screens on your JBS Silage Bagger. From the main bagging screen, if we press this little I button up here, we can see we're in the information screen. This will show you your display version and your ECU version, along with the model of bagger that you have. As you can see, we have 0 rotor drive pressure, 0 aux pump pressure, the hydraulic oil temp is 61, fuel level 19%, charge pressure -1. We can also see some filter indicators located in this row. All your return filter, charge filter. On the right hand side, located here, we have tunnel plate, feed table float position, feed table up position, bag tray and foot switch. Now for example, if you were to press the foot switch, it turns green. So if any of your return filters are plugged up, those will turn red as well. If your feed table is all the way in the up position, you now have access to high speed. Now we have the bagger running. We can see that aux pump pressure is now 371 and our charge pressure is at 8 psi. A little warning for you guys, never operate the bagger if your charge pressure drops below 0 psi. The charge pump ensures that the main rotor pump is always primed with plenty of oil. Damage will occur if that drops below 0. If we go ahead and operate a function like we'll pull the push-out door in, we can see the pressure increases. This can be a great diagnostic tool if you guys are having issues. I might ask you to come into the information screen and let me know what kind of pressures or temperatures you're seeing. Hydraulic oil temp is currently 62 degrees. As soon as it reaches 120 degrees, the fans will come on. If you guys see excess temperature, make sure to check your fans and blow them out regularly. Now, if we press this little exclamation point, this is our diagnostic screen. If any sensors fail, you're going to get a status number, a source, all that stuff, and a description as to which sensor has failed, or if something got unplugged. Common ones are proximity sensors and rotor pressure switches. Also, if we have any cat engine faults, they will appear here as well. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop it in the comment section below. Take care, everyone.